What if I told you that the future of pizza ovens doesn't involve smoke, fire, or even gas, but still gives you a restaurant-quality pizza in just 90 seconds? Ooni has just revealed a radical update to its electric pizza oven, and it might be the smartest countertop upgrade you'll see this year. Because this isn't just about shrinking size, it's about adding intelligence. The new Ooni Volt 2 has been on a serious crash diet. It's 30% smaller than the original Volt 12, which means it finally fits comfortably on most kitchen counters. But don't let the smaller footprint fool you. It can still handle pizzas up to 13 inches wide. Those heating elements, they roar to life in under 20 minutes, reaching a fiery 450 degrees Celsius. That's the sweet spot for crisping up a Neapolitan-style crust in just a minute and a half. And thanks to a wide tempered glass viewing window, you get a front row seat to watch your creation rise and bubble without wasting heat. But here's where things get interesting. Ooni didn't just make the Volt 2 smaller, they made it smarter. Enter what they call pizza intelligence. This adaptive system fine-tunes the balance between the top and bottom heating elements while your pizza cooks. That means no more cold spots, no more uneven crusts, and no more guessing games. Whether you're making thin New York slices or a deep pan pie, the oven literally learns and adjusts on the fly. And if you're in the mood for more than pizza, the Volt 2 doubles as an oven and grill, ready to handle veggies, roasts, even desserts. There's even a dough-proofing mode for purists who want to perfect their own base. All of it is controlled through a sleek digital panel that makes switching modes as easy as pressing a button. So what's the promise Ooni actually delivered on? Convenience meets authenticity. The Volt 2 makes true pizzeria-grade pizza possible without smoke, without gas, and without compromise, right on your countertop. It officially launches on October 1st, priced at £499 in charcoal gray or polar white, exclusively from Ooni's website. If you've ever dreamed of making flawless pizza at home without the hassle, this just might be the oven you've been waiting for. Would you try an electric oven over wood or gas for your pizza nights? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart food tech updates.